Welcome back. I'm Michelle McCory at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, New York. The long-anticipated results of the ECB's bank stress tests are out. 130 eurozone banks were tested to see if they could withstand another economic crisis. Most did pass, but 25 banks failed. CCTV's Jack Barton has more from Brussels.
Nearly 1 in 5 of the 130 big lenders examined by the European Central Bank failed stress tests aimed at exposing whether they could withstand another crisis. The ECB says the banks were more than $31 billion short of the reserves they would need to survive another serious shock. Nearly half the banks that failed were said to have taken measures this year to restore their health.
But there are then 13 banks that still have either to exactly apply their restructuring downsize as it is foreseen in their plans with the European Commission, or they will have to come up with ways to increase their capital.
No major banks failed the tests. The most troubled lenders were found in Greece, Cyprus, and the eurozone's third largest economy, Italy, which registered 9 failures. One of the largest banks to fail the test was Banca Monte dei Paschi di Siena, Italy's third largest lender and the world's oldest surviving bank. Its fate, along with the other 12 most vulnerable lenders, will be determined in the months ahead.
These banks will have 2 weeks to present a plan to the ECB with corrective measures. Part of these banks will have already taken these measures, so they will be safe. The other part of the banks will have either 6 months or 9 months to come up with additional capital.
Their futures now rest largely on there being no more serious economic shocks to the bloc over that period. The unprecedented health checkup on the eurozone's biggest banks was carried out before the ECB assumes its new role next month as the bloc's banking supervisor. Jack Barton, CCTV, Brussels.